Hello everyone, in this video we are going to be find the value of AD. Answer: area of the triangle ABC equal 225 square unit and AB equal 30 unit and AC equal 15 unit and angle BAD equal 30 degree and angle BAC equal 90 degree. Then angle DAC equal 90 degree minus 30 degree equal 60 degree. Triangle ABC area equal triangle ABD area plus triangle ADC area. Triangle ABD area equal half into 30 into AD sin 30 degree. Triangle ADC area equal half into 15 into AD sin 60 degree. Area of the triangle ABC equal 225. Then 225 equal half into 30 into AD sin 30 degree plus half into 15 into AD sin 60 degree. Sin 30 degree equal 1 divided by 2. Sin 60 degree equal root 3 divided by 2. Then 225 equal 1 divided by 2 into 30 into AD into sin 30 equal 1 divided by 2 plus 1 divided by 2 into 15 into AD into sin 60 degree equal root 3 divided by 2. Then 225 equal 30 divided by 4 AD plus 15 root 3 divided by 4 AD equal AD common. Then 30 divided by 4 plus 15 root 3 divided by 4 equal AD into LCM 4, then 30 plus 15 root 3 divided by 4. AD equal 225 into 4 divided by 30 plus 15 root 3 equal 225 into 4 divided by 15 common, then 15 into 2 plus root 3. AD equal 225 into 4 divided by 15 into 2 plus root 3, then equal 15 into 4 divided by 2 plus root 3 equal 60 divided by 2 plus root 3 equal multiply 2 minus root 3 divided by 2 minus root 3. Then we get 60 into 2 minus root 3 divided by 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3. A plus B into A minus B equal A square minus B square equal 60 into 2 minus root 3 divided by 2 square minus root 3 square equal 60 into 2 minus root 3 divided by 4 minus 3 equal 60 into 2 minus root 3 divided by 1 equal 60 into 2 minus root 3. Thus our answer AD equal 60 into 2 minus root 3 units.